Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, like W-2s and Form 1099, to ensure a smooth process. Next, select the TurboTax version that best suits your filing needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Finally, either create a new account or sign into your existing one to begin your tax journey. Now, let's move on to entering your information. Start by accurately inputting your personal details, including your Social Security number. Then, carefully enter all your income from various sources, such as W-2s for wages and Form 1099s for other income. Don't forget to report any deductions or credits you qualify for, as these can significantly impact your refund or amount due. Once you've entered all your data, it's crucial to review your return thoroughly. Take your time to check all the information for any potential errors or omissions. TurboTax will also perform an accuracy check, highlighting common mistakes and helping you correct them. This step ensures that all your forms are complete and correct before you file, giving you peace of mind. Finally, it's time to file your taxes. We recommend choosing to e-file for the fastest processing of your return and any potential refund. If you're expecting a refund or owe taxes, confirm your bank information for direct deposit or payment. Always remember to save a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for your personal records, typically for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.